Chapter 5, Fearless Persuasion, Harnessing the Power of Emotional Urgency. Ahoy, copywriting crusaders! In this exhilarating chapter, we're venturing into the heart of emotional urgency, the secret weapon in every copywriter's arsenal. Prepare yourselves, for we're about to embark on a thrilling journey through the turbulent waters of persuasion, where hesitation is our enemy and urgency is our ally. But what is urgency, you ask? Urgency is that electric current that jolts our audience into action, compelling them to seize the moment and make a decision now, not later. It's the fire beneath their feet, driving them forward with a sense of purpose and determination. But fear not, my fellow adventurers, for urgency is not a force to be wielded lightly. No, it requires finesse, strategy, and above all, authenticity. We must create urgency not through manipulation or coercion, but through genuine concern for our audience's well-being and a sincere desire to offer them the best possible solution to their problem. So how do we harness this power of emotional urgency in our copywriting? It all starts with a clear and compelling call to action, a beacon of light shining through the fog of indecision, guiding our audience toward their desired destination. But urgency isn't just about what we say, it's also about how we say it. We must infuse our copy with a sense of immediacy, using persuasive language and strategic placement to convey the urgency of the situation without resorting to alarmist tactics. And let's not forget the power of scarcity, the twin sister of urgency. By highlighting the limited availability of our product or service, we can amplify the sense of urgency and drive our audience to take action before it's too late. But remember, my fellow adventurers, with great power comes great responsibility. We must always act with integrity and transparency, ensuring that our audience feels empowered, not manipulated, by our sense of urgency. So let us set sail into the stormy seas of persuasion, armed with nothing but our words and our unwavering commitment to serving our audience's needs. Together, we'll harness the power of emotional urgency and chart a course toward copywriting greatness. Are you ready to unleash the full force of emotional urgency in your copywriting? Then let's dive headfirst into the fray and emerge victorious on the battlefield of persuasion.